In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and customize drawings in Google Docs, with our focus specifically on adding lines, arrows, or scribbles to enhance your document visually. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially when you want to emphasize certain points or add a creative flair to your text. To get started, navigate to the top menu of your Google Docs document. You're going to click on Insert, which you'll see along the tabs at the top of your screen. Once you hover over Insert, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Drawing and then choose Plus New to access the drawing window. This opens up the canvas where all the magic happens. Inside the drawing window, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. Here, you're looking for the Line tool, which is represented by a diagonal line icon. Click on this icon to reveal a small drop-down menu with a few different options. You can choose from a straight line, an arrow, a curved line, or even create a free-form shape using the Scribble tool. Each type allows for different visual expressions, so take a moment to decide which best suits your needs in the document. Once you've selected the type of line you'd like to draw, it's time to create it on your drawing canvas. Simply click and hold your mouse, then drag to start shaping your line. As you do this, consider how the line complements your document. For instance, using an arrow could effectively direct readers' attention, or a scribble might add a playful touch. If you need to adjust its dimensions or angle, simply release the mouse button and then select the line again to resize or reposition as needed. After you finish drawing your line, your next step is ensuring it's added perfectly to your document. Look to the upper right corner of the drawing window where you'll find Save and Close. Click on that, and the drawing will magically appear at your cursor's location in the document. And just like that, you've successfully inserted a customized drawing. This process not only adds a sense of professionalism to your documents, but also allows for greater creativity and clarity in conveying your ideas. Remember, with this feature, you can also revisit and edit your drawing by simply clicking on it in the document and selecting Edit from the options provided. This way, you can make improvements or updates as your document evolves. Utilizing these drawing tools effectively will seriously enhance the way your documents are perceived, making sure your points are not only read but also seen. Keep practicing these steps, and soon you'll be creating visual elements with ease.